guys, Dr. Jeff. I am going to talk to you today about something called home traction, right? If you get the typical tension, stiffness, tightness, soreness in through the neck and the shoulders, this is going to be a game changer for you. Also, people with migraines and headaches, you absolutely need to start doing this. So what home traction is, oh, and here's the best part. It's free and it's easy. Just take 5 minutes per day. You're going to get yourself a hand towel. I like to roll up the towel about the thickness of your fist, okay? And then you're going to use your bed. I'm going to demonstrate here with this table. Pretend the inside of your bed is this way, right? You're going to sit with your feet turn the inside part of your bed. This is going to be the edge of your bed. All you're going to do is take the hand towel, put it behind your neck, and gently let your head hang off the bed a little bit. Now, you don't want to go way far back, and you don't want to be flat, right? You want to let your head hang off just ever so slightly, so gravity can pull your head down toward the floor just a little bit. Now, if you get in the habit of doing this, 5 minutes per day is all it takes. I love to do it at the end of the day. Everybody's kind of calming down. You get your 5 minutes of home traction. It really sets you into a nice, beautiful, relaxing sleep. But you got to get in the habit of doing it. Watch the headaches, the migraines, the neck tension, the shoulder pain, even arm pain sometimes. Watch it go away. Home traction, start doing it now. Your body will thank you.